I am K. Sai Teja with my teammate Kovit Sri Harsha performing a project on named as Smart Street Light using Arduino under the microchip internship. So problem introduction. Generally street lights are switched on during the day, during the night and switched off during the day. But they are also switched on for whole night where there is no necessary of light. Our project mainly focuses on method of saving this electricity by making street light to switch on automatically whenever vehicle arrives near it. As you can see in these figures, lights are on where there are no vehicle or traffic. This may result in lot of energy wastage. Drawbacks of existing methodology. Saving this energy is very important factor these days as energy resources are getting reduced day by day. Alternatives for natural resources are very less and our next generation may face lot of problems due to lack of natural resources. Saving the natural resources is very important to this generation. The proposed methodology is this project is about smart street light. The street light will turn on while a vehicle is passing through it. Here we are using IR sensors to detect the vehicle passing through it. As we can see in this figure, whenever the car passes near the IR sensors placed near a street light, the street light turns on. Components. In this project we are using components like Arduino Uno board, 4 IR sensors and 6 10mm LEDs, connecting wires and software Arduino IDE. Here we can see IR sensor containing VCC pin, ground pin and output pin, and IR receiver and IR emitter. These two, IR receiver and emitter, plays key role in detecting the vehicle passing through it. This is the block diagram of our project. The output pins of each IR sensor is connected to the Arduino board as shown in the figure. Output pin of IR sensor 1 is connected to the second pin of Arduino. Similarly, IR sensor 2, IR sensor 3 and IR sensor 4 respectively to the 3, 4 and 5 pins. The VCC pins of IR sensors are connected to the 5 volts pin in the Arduino and all the ground components are connected. But for an LED, all the positive pins are connected to the Arduino directly and the negative pins are all grounded. As you can see here, positive pin of first LED is connected to the 6th pin of Arduino. Second LED's positive pin is connected to 7th pin of Arduino. Similarly, other LEDs as shown in this block diagram. As you can see here in the second picture, IR sensor, receiver and transmitter. The transmitter transmits the IR radiation and receiver will receive it. Whenever a vehicle comes, there will be no emission and absorption. Hence creates a disturbance. Whenever there is disturbance, the LED will start glowing. Working. As you can see here, the connections are given. Whenever the car passes through the IR sensor, there will be disturbance in emitting and receiving. This information is given to the Arduino and the Arduino will process the information to glow LED at the IR sensor. This is our Arduino code which is given to the Arduino IDE software. Primarily we are giving the pins IR sensor 1 to the second pin, IR sensor 2 to the third pin of Arduino. Similarly, IR sensor 3 and IR sensor 4. The LED pins are given as first LED to the 6th pin of Arduino, second LED to the 7th pin of Arduino respectively. Here we are considering 4 cases as proxy 1, proxy 2, proxy 3 and proxy 4. Here IR sensor will act as input and LEDs will work as output. Whenever there is disturbance, it is acting as input to the Arduino board, and respectively the LED will glow as an output. Here proxy 1, which is case 1, as digital reading the reading of IR sensor 1. Similarly, case 2, case 3 and case 4. Whenever case 1 as proxy 1 equal to high, it means whenever there is disturbance in the first IR sensor, LED number 1, 2, 3 and will start glowing. If there is no disturbance in IR sensor 1, LED 1, 2, 3 will not glow. Similarly, case 2, case 3 and case 4 of 4 IR sensors. This is the main thing behind this Arduino code working. This is our video presentation of our project. These are the connections as we discussed before. See, whenever the car reaches each sensor, the lights will start glowing. The car is at first IR sensor, then the LEDs 1, 2, 3 and are glowing. Similarly, with this repeats for every sensor. The light will glow only whenever the car reaches that sensor respectively. This is our project. If we use this idea and implement to it in our society, it will be more helpful in saving enough amount of energy and money. The energy may be conserved and given to the next generations.